In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the picture border color here in Canva. So I have this image just here, this picture, and this is what we're going to use. Now what I'm about to share will also work with the pictures that you upload yourself into Canva and or with Canva's own pictures. But nonetheless, once you've got your picture, we first have to add the border. So we're going to click onto the image, come to the border style, choose the style just there. We're going to go with solid and we'll make it a little bit thicker. Now to change the border color is really simple. If we look next to border styles, we have this little black circle. Now if we click on there, we're going to get lots of different options. Now if we scroll down, we can see all of these different gradient colors that we can use. We can also use the default solid colors as well, just simply by clicking on them, just like this. And it's also, well, Canva's also going to pull the photo colors from your design just here. And then you can actually click on one of them and use that as well. Now, if you have a color in mind, we can simply click onto this color icon just there, and then we can put the hex code color of any color that we want just here, and then it will add it to our border. Now we can also play around with this color palette as well by choosing the color that we want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the picture border color here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.